scraping and painting. This is called scrape and paint. So you just scrape the bark. And then paint the gel on.
So when I'm ringbarking one of these in a garden, sometimes I'll ringbark these much higher up the tree just to avoid children or dogs or cats coming in contact with the gel. But then you would have to do both branches that came off up higher. So this one we're away from animals, so I would just do it down low. So just make sure you go right round. This is Vigilant Gel, which will kill the top and the base of the tree. You can actually paint this straight onto the bark, but I like to ringbark it first to make sure it is going in. And I do about 30 or 40 centimetres and maybe a bit more gel on a bigger tree than that. But that should be fine for one this size.
So we're just ringbarking this wattle. Usually peels off quite nicely. Good idea to do an undercut. I'll do a cut and paint here, gel on the top. Particularly we're wanting to concentrate on the edge, which is where the juices flow in the trunk. So I'm just going to spray on the end of the cut. And this has got herbicide in it. I think the main thing is that it's flat and the spray can stay on the top, but also making sure you spray contacts the perimeter, which is where the juices of the plant flow. So what we're doing here is frilling. Gel into that, or you can spray it. Spray into the cuts. And that's particularly good for relatively easy to kill plants like loquat.